Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your worlds and settings so nothing is lost. This is crucial. Next, sign into the account tied to your game and open the launcher or platform settings to opt into the beta channel. Once done, make sure to note the current build number so you can revert if needed. If a launcher prompt appears, accept update permissions and allow the client to download necessary files. This initiates the update process while preserving your backed-up content. With the beta selected, let the launcher download game assets and patches. This can take time, so close intensive apps to prevent slowdowns. Once download completes, choose the profile for the beta or create a new installation to keep stable and beta separate. Make sure to run any built-in integrity or verifier tool to fix corrupted files before launching. After installation, start the game once to let it finalize data conversions and shader or resource pack compatibility updates. Finally, test your main worlds and servers to confirm everything functions, load saves, check redstone and mods. If you use mods or resource packs, reapply only versions marked compatible with the beta or install beta-specific builds. If problems arise, consult the game log for crash details. If severe, revert using your backup and switch out of the beta in launcher settings. One key tip: failing that, create a fresh installation and import only verified saves to isolate the issue and avoid corrupting stable files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.